Today on the FIMCO workbench, we're unboxing and assembling the FIMCO 7-nozzle ATV boom sprayer. One of the first things you'll notice, like with many FIMCO products, is that this unit comes largely assembled right out of the box. Inside the packaging, you'll find the tank lid and lanyard, a parts bag that includes your pressure gauge and lead wire, the quick-release tank mounting bracket kit, the owner's manual, the blow-molded tank 12-volt pump, spray wand, and hose, all pre-assembled, and the 7-nozzle boom kit that includes the boom, nozzle harness, and nozzle mounting brackets. To begin assembly, turn the tank upside down on a stable, flat surface and locate the 4 pre-drilled threaded holes. These are where the quick-release brackets will mount. With the release levers pointing toward the front and top of the tank, align the bracket slots with the holes and secure each bracket using the 4 provided 3/4-inch Phillips head screws. These screws come pre-applied with a yellow thread-locking compound. Once the brackets are installed, carefully turn the tank assembly back upright and secure the boom mounting brackets using the cam handles. Next, attach the folding, powder-coated steel boom to the mounting brackets using the 2 provided U-bolts and whiz nuts. The boom can be adjusted to different heights on the mounting brackets. For best performance, we recommend setting the boom's height 16 to 20 inches above the area being sprayed. With the boom secured, it's time to install the nozzle harness. Using the nozzle clamps, attach the harness to the boom. A helpful tip is to start by placing the clamp on the top side of the boom, sliding the nozzle into place, then installing the lower clamp into the mounting channel, and securing it with the provided screws and nuts. Again, start with the top clip by placing it on the top side of the boom arm in its approximate location. Then, slide the nozzle into place, then installing the lower clamp into the mounting channel and securing it with the provided screws and nuts. Repeat this process on the remaining nozzles until they are all attached to the boom. Here's a closer look at how to install the nozzle bracket clip. Again, start with the top clip by placing it on the top side of the boom arm in its approximate location. Then, slide the nozzle into place, then installing the lower clamp into the mounting channel and securing it with the provided screws and nuts. Once the nozzle harness is installed, locate the 48-inch hose and 2 hose clamps from the parts bag. Secure one end of the 48-inch hose to the center cross nozzle with a hose clamp. Route the hose over the tank and connect the other end of the hose to the open center hose barb labeled boom on the pump manifold. Next, install the tank lid by threading it on and securing the lid's lanyard to the hole next to the opening. Using the 2 provided Phillips head screws and plastic wand clips from the parts bag, attach the spray wand clips to the front of the tank. Align the clips with the threaded holes and small positioning tabs on the tank, then tighten to secure. Carefully cut the zip tie holding the spray wand hose. Wrap the hose around the tank, using the hose wrap indentations on the sides of the tank. Then, snap the spray wand into the wand clips to secure it in place. Install the pressure gauge by threading it securely into the open port on the pump manifold. Finally, connect the 12-volt power wire to the pump, and just like that, your 7-nozzle ATV sprayer is ready for use.